Okay, so first, if you go to flashcardsforkindergarten.com, you can download all of these flashcards for free. And then, after they practice their phonics, what you can do is download this, which is a poster. You can print it any size. You can print it this size. You could even print it, you know, over 2 pages if you like to have a giant poster in your classroom. But anyway, this is the sheet, and sometimes I just use the sheet for phonics. If I don't have time, I'll give one out between 2 kids. But you can play a game with them after you've done phonics. So you can ask a child, please give out the phonics sheets. Kid gives out the phonics sheets. Next, you say, okay, next we're going to play a game, okay? So if I say f, does anybody know where f is, okay? And then you model it once or twice on the board so the kids know what to do. And then you'll say, okay, is everybody ready to start? Okay, here we go, here's the first one. You know, and you give them a second and you go, which one is it? Can you circle it? And the kids hopefully circle the correct sound. And then after that, you might say, okay, are you ready for a more difficult one? Next, I'm gonna read you a word, okay? Can you circle the word? Okay, the word is yo-yo, okay? So the child might circle yo-yo. This all depends on what kind of kids you're teaching, whether they're ESL or native speakers. Obviously, you can up the difficulty level depending on who you're teaching, but I just wanted to introduce this. Feel free to download it, make up your own games. And last thing is, if you need to erase it, you can use alcohol gel if it's stuck on there. If not, you can just use little board wipers. So that is the phonics sheet. I hope you like it, and I hope you can use it in your classroom. Thanks very much. Goodbye.